color this. So let's color it. Yeah, we're gonna color it. The idea of the color. So this is the crayons. This is the crayons. And yeah, this is the crayons. This is the crayons. So we need to follow this, right? Chiga-chan. Now maybe not this is so very hard, guys. See? Look at this. The picture is different. It's different colors. Yep. And this is just it. So let's go another page where 127. That's not here. 167. Let's find it. And 127. Sobrang dami di ba nakita? So I need to find the easiest. So let's keep on going. Chiga-chan. I'm gonna let. What the fuck?
Tail.
I'm gonna let you show you. I'm gonna let you show my. I'm gonna show you a colorless. Balik ka. Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna let you see what I'm gonna find. Just find what I colored last week, last year or last week. Last week. This is what I colored last week, and I wanna color this thing. Yeah. So just watch the tutorial. And bye.